不要吃。哟，我这黑的我是刘佩 Pierre。
我是 Megan。
OK， 我们今天这个影片非常简单，因为最近 Megan 在网络上有看到一个非常红的咖啡，叫做 Dalgona Coffee， right？What's it called?
Dalgona，It's Korean。
然后中文应该叫做400次咖啡，所以我们今天要稍微试一下。其实我们早上就想要做，因为想要说喝个咖啡醒来一下，但是现在已经下午 What time is it right now?
It's 7.
7点钟。
The perfect time to have coffee, right?
Perfect. Okay. So how do we make it?
You need a whisk.
Okay.
You need a
还有呢？还有呢？
You need a
Instant coffee. I think it's called 即溶咖啡粉。
Sugar, any kind of sugar. I'm gonna use white sugar. Then milk.
所以听说这个东西非常简单，这个是韩国很红的，然后最近红到美国，然后 Megan 就看到，他说要不要弄一下，我就 OK 好。
2 tablespoons
Okay.
of instant coffee. 2 tablespoons of white sugar.
Okay.
And then 2 tablespoons of boiling water. I hope this works. It's a good arm workout or hand
Yeah，
workout.
顺便可以健身一下，练习。感觉好像开始变比较厚，比较绵密了。
So tired already.
Ooh. You want to switch?
It is a workout. Yeah, you try it for a little bit.
感觉好像那个 cream
Oh, it's getting there.
好像比较好哦。Can I try first?
No! Don't! Stop it! I don't want your germs in there. Get out of here. Okay, you're out. You're kicked out of there.
It's okay， 我好累。It's so tiring。这个真的超累，我跟你说。我们来看看。我没有掉了，开始没有掉了。So does that mean it's almost done?
Yeah. Okay, now you
Alright,
need a
let's get a
cup.
white cup.
You can have it iced if you want. I think I'll just put cold milk in it.
Okay.
So I
Which
want
one?
my almond milk.
Okay, so 先放牛奶，然后呢？
Okay, now.
Oh, it looks great.
Yeah, it does. It looks so good. It looks so good. It looks like peanut butter.
Whoa, this looks really good.
Yeah. I'm so happy.
Yeah, you like it?
Even though your germs are in it. I'm so excited. Okay.
All right,
Okay, now I'm
time to try it.
Oh, yeah, this is this is gonna be so strong. Oh my god.
Strong?
It's so strong. It's so good.
Yeah. 那我可以试一下吗？
That's so good, yeah.
哦，
Right?
还不错哎。
It's so good.
但真的有一点苦，有一点小苦，因为可能牛奶太少。然后我想试一下，就是纯粹它这个东西。Can I try it?
But you already tried it. You already put your germs in there.
不要吃
What's wrong?
，It's not that good。是不是 ？Not that
It's
good.
like burnt coffee.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Told you，
don't
对
eat
不
the
对
foam.？
但其实是不错，是蛮好喝的。咖啡味道有一点太浓了，
I think you need bigger cups.
但还不错。
Get bigger cups.
对，我发现如果放更多牛奶的话，会更好喝。I think it's better with normal milk. This is almond milk.
I like almond milk.
Megan 喜欢这个杏仁的牛奶，但我喜欢普通牛奶。OK，my turn.
What
好
the heck? I saw that.
现在换我的版本。如果大家没有那个 whisk， 没关系，我们测试一下，看可不可以放在这个。因为我刚刚想，它是需要这样混合嘛，那我想如果这样摇的话，应该有办法，应该可以
How
放
are you
吧。
gonna put it in?
哈哈 ，Don't have a funnel， 吼吼，对不对？不错吧？刚好这个比这个大，所以可以这样放，好像乐高一样。Look right, cool, easy.
Do you think it's gonna work?
I hope so. 哎呦，你看，希望可以。
How are you gonna get it out?
I don't know. 我没有想到那么远，好不好？I just 想，应该可能可以。你看，
I mean, you might be able to squeeze it out.
好像 OK 啦。你看，有没有是没有像刚刚那么黑，对不对？现在比较这个颜色比较浅。
One eternity later.
Okay, my way was way faster.
Yeah, this is OK。再2分钟，不然的话我们就用传统的。好吧，你知道如果用这个，然后如果这个有一个布，有没有？然后有窗户，你可以这样
Please don't hit it. Oh.
你可以一边清理这个窗户，有没有？ 不错吧？看看如何？出来，不要害羞。哎，这个不像400次咖啡，一点都不像。所以我想说，用筷子呢？
Try it.
看看用筷子如何，好不好
Then you can use a fork.
？Oh yeah, you should have said that. That's
You
way
wanted to
better.
use chopsticks.
That's way better than chopsticks, right? Isn't this better?
Better than chopsticks.
哎，但是真的推荐大家不要用这个方法，好累，而且好慢。Looking good, right?
Yeah. But that sound is so bad.
不错，对不对？哈哈 ，It's like a whisk， 有没有？是不是很像？
No, what the heck?
我想说，如果大家没有的话，至少大家应该会有2个叉子吧。然后呢，如果你右手累的话，有没有？
Faster, I think, with one fork. Here, can I show you how to do it with one fork?
That's how you do it.
You know, it's even better.
你好厉
If
害
you use a whisk and a big ball.
Okay. Oh wow, that looks way better than mine. Let me do it. 这样呢？
Yep.
是吗？
Yep.
A few moments later.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that?
大家如果喜欢今天的影片，记得按喜欢。OK， 好，配对，我想要问一下你们喜欢这种类型的影片吗？因为我们是想说，哦，好，那因为想要试一下这样的方法，那就拍下来做一个超级简单的生活 vlog， 你们喜欢吗？让我们知道。Alright, you want to ask a question today?
Whose process do you think is better? Mine.
我的还是我的？以下留言告诉我们。
Your process? Whose are you using right now?
Alright， 配对，如果喜欢今天的影片，记得按喜欢，并喜欢就分享。想要收到最新影片通知，以及加入配对，那就订阅。
你最棒。
记得按铃铛。我的400次咖啡比较好喝，对不对？
I like that.
对，好，比较好喝，好，拜。